The 2013
Chevrolet Tahoe LT. Powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle, with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 21 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features fog lights, dual front airbags, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player with MP3, satellite radio, and third-row seating. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.